Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to do the who are you in love with on Instagram. So this is very trending right now. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Instagram and log into your account. Once you will do it, you will see search button here in the main menu. Tap on it and in the search bar you have to type JYPSY fix. So here you will see a second account. Tap on it and in the Instagram stories you will see this. You have to tap on it and here you will find a filter. You have to tap on it here and now you have to click on the add yours. So once you will do it, you can upload a picture from your gallery from here, or you can simply click a picture from your camera. You can do this in this way and send to. So this is the procedure to do this trend. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.